Hi everybody, welcome to our new video. Today I will compare two LCD TV in this video. So let's go. Now enjoy this video. Firstly, we start display. Display size 43, 50, 55, 65, 75, 85, 98 Europe and 43, 50, 55, 65, 75, 85 Europe. Panel type VA, Qled and VA. Display resolution 4K. Refresh rate 60 Hz. Display orientation landscape. Pixel density 52 ppi and 45 ppi. Display colors 1070 million. Bit deep 10 bit. Brightness typical 450 nits and 550 nits. Contrast ratio 6000:1. Response time 15 millisecond and 10 millisecond. Supports HDR, HDR10, HDR10 Plus, Dolby Vision Hybrid Long Gamma. High gig, yes and no. Part 2 Features. SoC system chip Realtek RTD2 28XX. TV platform Google TV. Version at launch 12.0. OS updates yes. AirPlay 2 yes. Virtual assistant Google Assistant Alexa. Supports a remote smartphone yes. Built-in speakers 2.1 40 watt and 2.1 45 watt. Use browser yes. Part 3 Connectivity. HDMI version HDMI 2.1. HDMI ports 3 and 4. Wi-Fi 5 800 2.11 AC. Bluetooth 5.0. USB ports 1 into USB-A 2.0. Part 4 Design. Dimension 1.9 into 1.89 into 74 mm and 1.24 into 2.18 into 69 mm. Weight 35.8 kg and 59 kg. Wall mountable, Visa compatible. Maximum operating temperature 35 degrees Celsius. Thanks for watching. For more updates, subscribe to my channel.